Welcome to Maharajpur, a hidden gem in Madhya Pradesh where nature and rural charm blend seamlessly. Tucked away in the heart of India, Maharajpur offers a serene escape from modern life's hustle. Join us as we explore the natural beauty and tranquil landscapes of this lesser-known town. From the rolling hills of the Satpura range to lush, life-filled forests, Maharajpur promises a journey of discovery and peace. Maharajpur is nestled among the ancient peaks and valleys of the Satpura range. These hills, cloaked in emerald green forests, rise and fall like gentle swells of a verdant ocean. The interplay of sunlight and shadow reveals hidden streams and secret valleys. This diverse landscape, a mosaic of hills, forests and valleys, provides a haven for a rich variety of life. From the smallest insects to elusive leopards, each creature has carved its niche in this intricate web of life. The air hums with cicadas, while brightly colored birds flit through the canopy above. As we venture deeper into Maharajpur, we'll encounter this rich tapestry of life in all its glory.
Maharajpur is a thriving haven for a remarkable array of wildlife, offering a sanctuary for countless species. The dense forests form part of the Satpura Biosphere Reserve, a vast expanse of greenery that stretches as far as the eye can see. This reserve is a UNESCO site recognized for its incredible biodiversity, hosting a myriad of flora and fauna. Here, amidst rustling leaves and dappled sunlight, creatures large and small thrive, creating a vibrant ecosystem. Flocks of vibrant parrots paint streaks of color across the sky, their calls a symphony of the wild, echoing through the trees. High in the canopy, eagles soar majestically, their keen eyes scanning the forest floor for unsuspecting prey. These forests are home to elusive leopards, their presence felt in the wary glances of deer, always on high alert. Troops of wild boar turn the forest floor in search of roots and tubers, their snouts digging deep into the earth. As we immerse ourselves in Maharajpur's wildlife, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of life, understanding the intricate web that sustains this haven.
The lifeblood of Maharajpur flows through its veins of shimmering water. The Pench River, reflecting the azure sky, meanders through the region, nourishing the land. Its banks, fringed with reeds and grasses, provide sanctuary for a myriad of creatures. The river teems with fish, their silvery scales flashing as they dart through the clear water. Kingfishers dive with acrobatic grace to snatch their prey, while crocodiles bask on the sandy banks. The Pench River is a place of tranquility and beauty, reminding us of nature's enduring power.
The fertile lands of Maharajpur yield a bounty of crops that sustain its people. Agriculture here is a deep-rooted tradition passed down through generations. The fields, a patchwork quilt of green and gold, stretch as far as the eye can see. Farmers tend their crops with care and expertise honed over centuries. Soybeans, pulses, rice paddies and groundnuts promise a rich harvest. The agricultural landscape of Maharajpur is a testament to the harmonious relationship between man and nature. It is a way of life that has sustained generations and continues to provide livelihood to the people.
Our journey takes us to Satpura National Park, a realm of unparalleled beauty nestled in the heart of India. Located about 100 kilometers from Maharajpur, this wilderness offers a glimpse into the untamed heart of India, where nature reigns supreme. Satpura National Park, a sanctuary for a staggering array of flora and fauna, encompasses breathtaking landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Towering sal forests give way to grassy meadows where deer graze peacefully, creating a serene and picturesque scene. Tigers roam the forests, their presence felt in every rustle of leaves, a reminder of the park's wild and untamed spirit. The vibrant plumage of peacocks adds a splash of color to the forest floor, their calls echoing through the trees. The park is a symphony of sounds, a testament to the sheer diversity of life, with birds chirping and animals calling out to one another. A visit to Satpura National Park is an unforgettable experience, a chance to immerse oneself in the raw beauty of the Indian wilderness and to witness nature in its purest form.
Maharajpur experiences the ebb and flow of a tropical climate, shaping the land and dictating the rhythms of life. The interplay between the elements creates a dynamic environment that is constantly evolving. From the scorching heat of summer to the refreshing coolness of the monsoon, each season brings its own unique beauty. The vibrant colors and shifting patterns of the landscape tell a story of resilience and renewal. Summer is a time of intense heat, with the land eagerly awaiting the monsoon. The dry, cracked earth stands as a testament to the harshness of the season. With the arrival of the monsoon, the landscape undergoes a dramatic transformation. Torrential rains breathe new life into the soil, and the air is filled with the scent of fresh rain. The parched earth drinks deeply, and soon the landscape is awash in green. Plants and trees burst into life, creating a lush, verdant paradise. Winter brings mild temperatures and clear skies, perfect for exploring the hills and forests. The crisp air and serene environment offer a peaceful retreat from the heat of summer. The changing seasons of Maharajpur are a testament to the cyclical nature of life. Each phase seamlessly transitions into the next, creating a harmonious balance. It is this delicate balance that sustains the rich biodiversity of this region. The intricate web of life thrives, supported by the ever-changing yet consistent rhythms of nature.
For those seeking adventure, the hills and forests surrounding Maharajpur offer a wealth of trekking opportunities. Lace up your hiking boots and prepare to immerse yourself in the serene beauty of this hidden gem. The trails wind through dense forests, across babbling streams, and up to breathtaking viewpoints. As you hike, keep your eyes peeled for signs of wildlife. The trails offer a chance to experience the flora and fauna of Maharajpur up close. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a novice, the trails of Maharajpur offer something for everyone.
In Maharajpur, the rhythm of life beats to the pulse of nature. The people of Maharajpur have developed traditions that reflect the rhythms of the natural world. Their festivals, often timed to coincide with the agricultural cycle, are a celebration of the bounty of the earth. During the harvest festival, villagers gather to celebrate the fruits of their labor. The changing seasons are marked by special rituals and ceremonies. In Maharajpur, nature is an integral part of the cultural fabric, with respect and reverence for the natural world.
While Maharajpur offers natural beauty and rural charm, the surrounding region invites exploration. Chhindwara, the district headquarters, lies approximately 70 kilometers to the southwest. This bustling town offers a glimpse into the rich heritage of the region. For those seeking an encounter with the wild side of India, Pench Tiger Reserve is a must-visit. This renowned reserve is home to Bengal tigers, leopards, wild dogs, and more. The region surrounding Maharajpur offers a diverse tapestry of experiences, from cultural immersion to wildlife encounters. Maharajpur is a botanical paradise, home to a rich and diverse tapestry of flora. The forests are dominated by majestic sal trees, providing shelter to a myriad of creatures. The undergrowth teems with a variety of shrubs, herbs, and grasses. Wildflowers add splashes of vibrancy to the forest floor, attracting pollinators. The region is also home to medicinal plants used by local communities for generations. The flora of Maharajpur plays a vital role in supporting both the agricultural economy and the local wildlife. It is a delicate balance, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Maharajpur. We hope you enjoyed discovering the natural beauty and rural charm of this hidden gem. Maharajpur is a place where nature and culture coexist in harmony. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of India's incredible landscapes. We look forward to taking you on more adventures soon.